Hey, hi, hello. I am currently cooking. I made these steaks. There's some round eye steaks. And I've also got some veggies in the oven. Ooh la la. Bon appetit. And we've got a plate of food. Let's pray, let's pray, let's pray it's not too overcooked. Oh, just a little overcooked. Still looks so good. It's still nice and pink. It's good. I got some peppers, some onions, and potatoes. Bite. Always cover my veggies in seasoning. Some basil, parsley, good old salt, pepper, garlic. The fatty bits are so good. Nice little bite of steak and veggies. They're good. Yeah, just threw some garlic, thyme, and butter on to baste. Very simple. Oh no, my oven's still on. Let me turn that off. I think I'm gonna call it here. Ate a good amount with you guys, but there's something comforting about watching a movie and eating your food, and I need some me time. Offer you one more bite. You want a bite? Ooh. And thanks for joining me. Bye.